Hello everyone, welcome to my channel CS Code Academy. In this video, today we are going to discuss about software process model. Suppose your college organizes software project competition. There will be several teams competing for that competition. In that I have taken team A and team B. And I have written here team A without discussion and team B with discussion. What is that discussion means? What the customer needs, who will do which task, how long will it take, and how to test the softwares. So these discussions are made by team B, okay, and these discussions are not made by team A. So after some time, so you can say which team is more likely to get succeed in software developing. Okay, team A or team B. So naturally the chances are more for team B. Why they proceed with what these discussions, like they gathered the requirements, they came up with the plan and they came up with the schedule and they analyze the risk and they have the design and they have the developers and they have the testers, and categorically they distributed the work among themselves and eventually the success rate is high. So to have a high success rate, you need something called as process models. Okay, in this video we will discuss about process models. Now what are these process models? Process models gives a structured framework that defines how software should be developed from beginning till end, so that it guarantees that the failure is minimum. Process framework consists of certain generic activities that I have described in previous video, where I have given the layered technology in that process model, and these steps will be followed by almost all software projects. Like it will be consisting of communication, planning, modeling, construction and deployment. Here the activities, the communication, in the phase of communication, we gather the requirements about the software. So here I have written requirements, they gather the requirements. Next they come up with the planning, they'll analyze the risk, time, budget and the project schedule they'll decide, and accordingly they'll design, they'll create a blueprint. Okay, so later they'll go with this implementation part. They'll start the coding. Okay, there the programming starts. Okay, after coding they need to do the testing. So collectively I have given as what construction. So after testing, if it is working as intended, so next is what deployment, that is nothing but installation or giving it to the users, and after that updates and how can be maintained. Updations are provided regularly. If there is any security breach, so that will be handled properly, and performance, efficiency and everything will be maintained. So these are generic activities will be followed by almost all software project development process. Okay, so there are different types in process models. We have one is the prescriptive process model, next we have evolutionary process model and specialized process models and agile process model. In prescriptive process model, where the sequence or the steps are predefined, the steps will be known to the developer. So here example will be what the waterfall model, incremental model or V model. And next, evolutionary model, the software evolves through set of repetitive works, iterations, increments, and finally you will get the actual software. The example for that is a prototype model and a spiral model. Next we have this specialized process model. They are designed for specific type of process. Example, it will be component based development or formal methods process. Next we have agile process models, where it encourages rapid development, continuous improvement. Okay, example for that models are Scrum and Extreme Programming. I have said the generic activities, almost all projects should follow these steps. I have given prescriptive, evolutionary, specific and agile process models. And every project is different. A small college or university projects differ from banking software or banking projects. So similarly, some projects, they know they have the fixed requirements. Some projects may change the requirement more often, and some projects have high risk. Some projects, that risk will be minimal, and next, some projects, they need faster delivery of the project. So these kind of things can be accommodated by using different types of models. So each requirement, each need will be addressed by different process models. Okay, so in the next upcoming video, I will be discussing the prescriptive process model, in that particularly waterfall model you can see in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe for further updates. Thank you.